Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. So today I will show you how to customize this intro, and you will see it's very easy. Just follow this video until the end to get the final intro. So let's start. When you download the file that I have shared, you will get this project, and in this folder you click in this project for your After Effects. So color dust logo. Make double click. After this, go here on the left side to the logo. Okay. Click in the simple arrow. Sorry, I know it's very long. And here we got your composition for your logo. Make double click. And now I will close again this one to see it. Make double click and the composition will be opened here. And as you can see, I have nothing. No layer inside this composition. So what you will do here, just drag and drop your logo, but it must be in alpha channel. I mean the background must be transparent. So to insert the logo, you can make from here, from here, import, and you search the file, or make drag and drop as I will do now. So I will just make drag and drop. Here is my logo. And now I will come back to the final render to see the result. So I just move the cursor from 0 second. Now it depends of your memory, of your RAM. Okay, it can be very long. The first time I think it's always very long. So let's see the rendering or the preview, if it's long or no. Let's see how many time. I think it will be more than 1 minute. Let's see. I will not make pause because it is not very long. So I will render the view together. As you can see. Oh, I hope it doesn't take a lot of time, because sometimes you will see when I make another template, I must make the pause for the video until to get the final render, because it is like this After Effects and Premiere Pro. So now you will see here is my logo. It will be appear in the final render. Cool, do you see? It takes how many? Yeah. Finished. I think 1 minute for 13 seconds. Yeah, the render take near 1 minute. As you can see, here is the logo that I have inserted, and it appear directly. Of course, you can add the logo with image. I just make logo with text because it is same thing with image or with text. It's same thing, but remember, you just need the logo. The background must be transparent with alpha channel. So here is the rendering. It's very easy. Now to get the video, it's always the same thing. Go to the composition. You can add it to Adobe Media Encoder, or you can render it with the render queue. You have the choice, but I will recommend you always to choose Adobe Media Encoder queue. Okay, I'll see you for the next video, brothers and sisters. For more template, more course, inshallah, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.